Hey, good morning, y'all. I am prepping my veggies for the day, and I asked my husband to do this video, but he either doesn't want to, or he ignored me, or he didn't hear me, or something. So I'm going to do the video by myself.
You're going to do that? I stood there and waited for 10 minutes and you didn't do anything.
So I'm going to just do it myself because I am an independent woman. Anyway, okay, so what I'm making is just a cucumber mix. So, and I'm using some spices that were sent to me to review, so we'll kind of see how that works out. So, this is what we have. Cucumber, and I just took the peeling off of it, and then I already have one cucumber already cut up. We have sriracha, so sriracha, Mrs. Dash, ginger, parsley, and vinegar. So that's everything that's going to go into it, and I will show you the finished product when I'm all done. Okay, everyone, so I do have my cameraman behind the camera now. So basically I cut up the cucumbers in really thin slices, and normally I have a slicer, but I couldn't find it, so I just used a knife and sliced them up. And then I don't measure anything out, I just kind of do it to the way that it looks. So throwing some sriracha in there, some Mrs. Dash, this ginger, which I'm finding these containers are not the easiest to open at first. And these are frozen. You don't thaw them out. You keep them in the freezer until you're ready to use them. I swear I'm going to break a nail. I think that's the worst part about these. Throw some ginger in there. But I like the idea that I don't have to cut the ginger up. It saves me time in the morning. And then we're going to throw some parsley in here. And white vinegar. And I just do everything to look. And then I just put a lid on here. It's the easiest way to mix stuff up. Mix it up, open it, take a look at it, and see if it needs anything else. It looks pretty good, but I'll add a little bit more spice to it. And some vinegar. We'll add a little bit of salt, pepper. Salt is not bad, people. That's it. Put it in the freezer. And we put it in the fridge, sorry. Catch up with you guys later. Hey guys, it is my first break of the day, and I am about to go heat up my food. But before I do that, let me show you guys what I'm having right now. So it's kind of one of my big meals. So I'm having the cucumbers that I made earlier today. I'm having that with this meal, and then let me see. So that's cold, so I don't need to warm that up, but I'm warming this up. Can you see that? So it's chicken, ground turkey, some Mexican rice, or I don't know exactly. It's a Lipton noodle rice. So I've got that. I've increased my protein a little bit, so I'm up from 3 ounces to 4 ounces of protein, and I've got half a cup of carbs in here. So hopefully that'll keep me going today. And of course, hot sauce. Always gotta have hot sauce. But anyway, my video from earlier today really got me thinking, and I was like, well, maybe I should just do this at the beginning of the year, and then I decided, no, I'm going to do it right now. So when I was doing my video earlier today, I was rewatching it and I looked at my husband and I said, oh my god, my sweatshirt is like extremely baggy and I should do something about that. So he was like, yeah, it really is. But I'm wearing it today at work, see? But I have to change that. So Operation Stop Looking Like a Bum is going to be in effect. I am going to do my best to try to make sure that I'm doing my hair every day and not just throwing it up in a ponytail. Not saying that I will never wear it in a ponytail, but I just feel like I need to do a little bit more. And really like putting makeup on and playing around with makeup and trying to find what works best for me. And then also wearing clothes that fit and not always wearing baggy stuff. So that's like a major fault of mine, and I think the reason that I do that is when I was overweight I wore baggy clothes because one, that's pretty much all that would fit, and really the baggy clothes weren't baggy on me because I was so big. And then when I started losing weight I wore baggy clothes so people wouldn't notice that I was losing weight. And then and now like occasionally I'll wear something nice and fitting, and then I'll go back to baggy clothes because I notice that when I'm around certain people that I get treated differently and not in a good way when I'm dressed nicely. It's kind of like a jealousy thing, I guess. Whatever it is, it makes me feel really uncomfortable, so I tend to like downplay stuff a lot. So even when I want to do my hair, I won't do my hair. You know, I'll just kind of throw it up, or, you know, I won't do my makeup, or, you know, I just dress in baggy clothes so that people can't see that I've lost weight, because then people always have something to say, like, oh, you're too thin, or, oh, I hope you don't lose any more weight, or, oh, I think you're good, you can stop now, you know. And the thing that drives me insane is, other than my competition, I have been right about 120 to 125 in my weight. Competition, I was 110. So to me, I'm kind of like, well, I've been this weight for over a year now, so back off. But anyway, so that's my goal. I'm gonna really work on doing better. So I have a picture of what I'm wearing today, so you can see that, and I'll try to keep everything updated on my vlogs and on my blog, so that I can hold myself accountable and make sure that I'm putting some effort into the way that I look. And I don't really care what anybody else has to say. I need to do this for me, and if it makes people jealous or upset or makes them feel like they need to attack me in one way or the other, then so be it. It's not my problem, it's theirs. So that's it. I'm gonna go inside, warm up my food, get ready to eat, and I will let you know how the cucumbers came out, because I have not tried them yet. So talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey you guys, it is the end of my night. I wanted to come on and tell you that the cucumbers that I made earlier came out really well. I did use a lot of ginger, so they're extra gingery and they're pretty spicy, but that's good because it's the way I like stuff. So that, and what else? I thought there was something else I wanted to come on here and say. Whatever it was, it probably wasn't important. So I'm going to find a cute little outfit for tomorrow, and I'm going to spend the rest of the night with my husband and my chihuahua, who misses me so very much, and he hasn't ate yet, so I have to try to feed him. He has to be hand fed. I think I've said this before on my vlog. He doesn't eat. Sometimes he'll eat on his own, but most of the time he likes me to hand feed him. And we cut his food up. So instead of there being like 30 pieces, there's 60 pieces that he has to be hand fed. Can kind of be a pain sometimes. But he's my little baby. Digger! Hey, Dig, say hi to everyone. Look. Say hi. Ruff, ruff. He's looking all pretty. He's waiting for us to play with him. So I will upload this video. I will catch up with you guys later, and be sure to wait just a few extra seconds so you can see my pictures from today, including what I was wearing and why I did my little vlog when I was in my car talking about my clothes and my outfits. So bye guys, good night.